Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Suryan. This is part 6 if statements in C#. In this video we will discuss if statement, if else and difference between double ampersand and single ampersand as well as double pipe and single pipe. Let's take a small example. So for the if condition we will take input from the user through console window. So for that I am going to write Console.WriteLine. Please enter a number. So I want to read user entered number from the console window and I will store it in one variable int user number equal to read the console value we will use console.readLine. So here the console read line, it will read value from the console as in string format. So now what we are doing, we are storing into integer variable. So here casting is required. So for that I am going to write in dot parse. So here I am going to write one if condition. If user entered number is equal to 1, I am going to print one message user entered number is 1. So let's go and execute this program. So it is asking number, so I am going to enter number 1, enter. So it is printing user entered number 1. So how the if condition will execute? So inside the if condition we have one expression. So it's depending on this expression only it will work if condition. If the expression given true value, then it will go and execute this statement. If the expression given false value, then it won't execute this statements. So similar way I will add few more conditions. So I am going to use 2 and if it is a number is 3, then I am going to print number 3. So even if the user entered number is in 1, then it will print this. If it is a 2, then it will print. Even if it is a 3, then it will print this. So suppose if the user entered number is not in 1, 2, 3. So I am going to print some other message. So for that user number not equal to 1 and user number not equal to 2 and user number not equal to 3. Then I am going to print one message user entered number not between 1 and 3. So let's go and execute this program. So I'm going to enter number 10. So what will happen? So user entered number not in between 1 and 3. So what's happening here, if the user entered number is 10, so it will go and check this condition. So if it is in true, then it will execute. If it is in false, then it won't execute these statements. So again it will check the second condition, again third condition, again 4 conditions. So if the user entered is number 1, then it will go and execute, right? So suppose if the user number is 1, then no need of check this, no need of check this, no need of check these conditions. So how do we do that? So if user number is 1, then no need of check this number equal to 2, number equal to 3. So we will use an else. And here also we will use else. So at last the else. So in this scenario, what happened, if the user number entered number equal to 1, then it will go and check this condition and it will execute. If the user is entered number is 1, then it will execute this and it won't check in the second if condition, third and last. So suppose if the user number entered number is 10, then it will check this condition and second condition and third condition, and if it is not satisfied any one of these, then it will come to else part and it will print a message. Let's say an output. Let's go and execute a program. So I'm going to enter number 3, enter. So what it's happened, user entered number is 3. So likewise we can use the if else statements. So now we will check it double ampersand and single ampersand. So for that, what I'm going to use, one if condition, user enter number is 1 and user enter number equal to 2. So here user enter number 1 or 2. So in this scenario, how double ampersand will work means user number is equal to 1 and user number equal to 2. If both the condition is satisfied, then it will go and execute this condition. If it is not, then else block will come. User enter number not in 1 or 2. So here the ampersand, double ampersand and the condition, both the expression, both the conditions should be satisfied. Then only that statements will execute. So here, if the first expression user number equal to 1, if it is an false, then the double ampersand, if we use double ampersand, it won't check in the second expression. Whereas if you use a single ampersand, even though if your user enter number equal to 1 is false, then it will check user number equal to 2. So even though if the first statement is a false, then second statement also it will check. So whereas if you use a double ampersand, it won't check in the second statements. So similar way it will work for double pipe and single pipe. Coming to slides. So this is the if statements in C#. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.